Okay, I'm going to show you a little revision to the cast-on method that we did before, because this one does not use a slip knot to begin with, which makes it a little easier. So what is the same is we'll start with the ball of yarn. I'm going to keep that to the right because that's where you usually keep it. And so we have the tail here, and we'll measure about a foot for each 20 inches that you, a foot for each 20 stitches that you want to cast on. So you don't know exactly how much we're going to cast on right now, but it doesn't matter. Say we want to start right here. So I'm going to take the needle and just sort of scoop up the yarn so that we have the working yarn on this side and the tail yarn on this side, and then we just start with the tail side the way that you usually cast on. So go into the stitch and take the working yarn and wrap it around and pull it through. So there you go. So do that one more time. Wherever you're going to start your cast on, scoop up with the needle. Tail yarn is here, and make a little backwards loop. Go into the loop and take your working yarn, and it's going to come around the back here and wrap it and pull it through. Tighten up from both sides. And that's it. Okay, I just want to add one more little bit of information about leaving enough tail for your cast on. The rule of thumb is 1 foot for every 20 stitches. And that works well for worsted yarns, but for bulky yarn you might want to use a little more. So you could do a foot for each 20 stitches, and then, so say if you want to cast on 40 stitches, 2 feet plus an extra foot just to, just to leave a little extra, which usually doesn't matter because you're usually going to have enough yarn to work with. So that's it. Also, just remember to make sure that your stitches aren't too tight. You want to tighten up the cast-on stitches just enough, but there should be a lot of play so that you can move them around the needle very easily. That's it.